Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dumpling wrappers. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, about 3/4 of a cup of warm water, and a small pinch of salt. The warm water helps activate the gluten, making the dough pliable. This recipe yields approximately 30 to 35 wrappers, perfect for a family meal. Precision in measurement is key for a consistent dough texture. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, combine the 2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt. Slowly pour in the warm water, mixing with chopsticks or your hands until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a clean surface and knead it for about 10 minutes. It should become smooth, elastic, and no longer sticky. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten. After the dough has rested, it's time to shape our wrappers. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and roll it into a long, even rope about 1 inch in diameter. Cut this rope into 1-inch pieces. Lightly flour your work surface. Take each small piece, flatten it with your palm, and then use a rolling pin to roll it into a thin, round disc, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Aim for edges slightly thinner than the center. Once your wrappers are rolled, they are ready to be filled. For the best results, use them immediately. If you're not using them all at once, lightly dust each wrapper with flour to prevent them from sticking together. You can stack them and place them in an airtight container. They will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For longer storage, freeze them for up to 1 month, separating layers with parchment paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.